Strawberries are loved by all ages for their bright red color, their juicy texture, and especially for their sweet flavor. So how can we use them more often? I'm here today to show you how. Hi, I'm Tori Schmitt, a registered dietitian nutritionist and the founder of Yes Nutrition. And today, I've partnered with my friends at Foxy Produce to share with you 3 creative, nutritious ways to say yes to enjoying strawberries more often. Tip number 1, add strawberries to your morning oatmeal. If you'd like to give your oatmeal some extra color and flavor, strawberries deliver a sweet, vibrant, and nutritious option. I like making my oatmeal with oats, hemp seeds, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and of course, strawberries. Sometimes I'll add fresh strawberries to my oatmeal, but other times I like to add the strawberries frozen. I find that when the frozen berries hit the warm oats, their juices melt into the oats, allowing each bite to be full of sweet strawberry flavor. Tip number 2, add strawberries on top of your salad. Adding strawberries to your salad delivers the sweetness you crave without the need for sugary toppings or dressings. Plus, strawberries are packed with good-for-you nutrition like vitamin C, fiber, potassium, folate, and important phytonutrients called anthocyanins and flavonols. In fact, research demonstrates that those who consume the highest level of anthocyanins have a reduced risk of high blood pressure. So add those berries to your salads to keep your heart healthy. And tip number 3, add strawberries onto fruit skewers. Using strawberries on skewers alongside other fruits like grapes, pineapple, and cantaloupe is a fun snack for kids and for the kids at heart. No added sugar needed. And did you know you can add skewers to the grill to enhance the fruit's natural sweetness? You know, there are so many delicious, nutritious ways to enjoy strawberries. How do you like to enjoy strawberries? Leave a comment to let me know. And make sure you subscribe and like this video for more healthy tips, delicious recipe ideas, and more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.